Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into what could be considered the best remission for horses out there. Introducing the Horse Health Vita Biotin Crumbles Horse Hoof Supplement. This powerhouse product is designed to maintain healthy, sound hooves and support strong hoof walls, making it an essential addition to any horse owner's arsenal. Let's break down what makes this product stand out from the rest. First up, hoof health. The Vita Biotin Crumbles help maintain healthy hoof growth, ensuring your horse stays on its feet and ready to perform at its best. And it's not just about maintaining hoof health, it's about quality too. These crumbles are packed with biotin, a key ingredient that plays a crucial role in the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, ensuring your horse gets the nutrients it needs to thrive. Whether you have a competitive athlete or a beloved companion, this supplement is perfect for all horses, including pregnant mares. Plus, its palatable formula makes it easy to feed, with larger crumbles to minimize sorting. So, if you're looking to give your horse the best hoof support possible, look no further than the Horse Health Vita Biotin Crumbles. With its proven effectiveness and rave reviews, it's a no-brainer for any equine enthusiast. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more expert product critiques. Until next time, ride on!